Welcome again to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. We hope you are in the best condition, and today's recipe is cheese pastries. I have 75 grams of cheese, any type of grated cheese you have. I also have 75 grams of cornstarch measured with a tea glass. I have 130 milliliters of milk, 50 milliliters of olive oil, and 1 egg. I have 2 grams of salt, which is about a quarter teaspoon. Now we move to the preparation, and I take a bowl and pour the milk. Then I add the cornstarch. I mix until it blends well, because it will go into the electric blender. But we must first mix the starch with the milk. After mixing the starch with the milk, I pour it into the blender. I pour it into the electric blender. Then I add 50 milliliters of oil. And I add the egg. Then I add a little salt and the cheese. I blend the mixture and come back. The mixture is now smooth and the ingredients are well combined. Now I fill a cupcake mold greased with a little melted butter. The mold is greased with melted butter. The method is easy. I start filling the mold with the mixture without overfilling. I fill it only halfway. Then I add a little cheese on top. Just a small amount. I put them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. If you have a large family, you can double the quantities. You can increase the quantities as needed. They turn out very good. We meet again with the final result. After 20 minutes, they are baked and look like this. Now I take them out and place them on a serving dish. This is the final result of these pastries. They look like this. I open one to show you the inside. They turn out very nice, as you can see. I hope you like this recipe, and it makes about 18 pieces. It depends on your choice. Just try this recipe. Children will love it. I hope today's recipe satisfies you, and do not forget to like and subscribe. and activate the bell to always receive new recipes, and see you in the next video.